Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cut green beans in a can. First, drain all the liquid from 1 can of cut green beans. Next, rinse the beans thoroughly under cool running water for a few seconds. This step helps remove excess sodium and improves their flavor. Then, gather your favorite seasonings and a small saucepan or skillet, preparing for the cooking process. You're already on your way to a tasty side dish. Now, let's get cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil to your saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted or the oil is shimmering, add the drained and rinsed green beans. Sauté them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This gentle heating warms them through and allows them to absorb any added flavors beautifully. Keep an eye on them to prevent overcooking. To elevate the taste, it's time for seasoning. Start with a pinch of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. For an extra layer of flavor, you might add a pinch of onion powder or a dash of soy sauce. If you enjoy a little kick, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes works wonderfully. Adjust these to your personal preference for the perfect balance. Your delicious canned green beans are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm as a fantastic side dish with almost any meal. For a touch of freshness and visual appeal, you can garnish them with some chopped fresh herbs like parsley or chives. They are simple, quick, and incredibly versatile. Enjoy your perfectly prepared green beans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.